Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing today? Hope you guys are fine by God's grace. So here I have the Blue Magic Castor Oil Hair Grease. So I'm just going to mix a little hair grease for my hair today. So this one is Africa Best. It's also castor oil hair grease, guys. These two products, they are so good. If you really want to grow your hair super long, thick and healthy, this two product is amazing. So just sit down and watch the video. Okay, so the next thing is my shea butter for moisture, okay, and for conditioning my hair. So I'm going to add shea butter as well. So if you are here for the first time, you are welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video to watch. I really do appreciate you a lot. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be adding now is my palm butter. So I'm going to be adding this. In case you want to buy this palm butter, you can find it on Amazon. Okay, so I'm going to add that as well. So if you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate you guys so much for the love and support. I do appreciate. Okay, so I'm not going to be melting this, so I'm just going to use my spoon to just mix it together because I don't want it to turn oil. Okay, I want it to be like a cream consistency. So I'm just going to use my spoon to mix it just like so. As you can see, everything I've mixed together. Now here I have my wheat germ oil. So wheat germ oil is really one of the best oil to moisturize your hair. It's really so amazing. It can really moisturize your hair for a very long time. It's a moisturizing oil. So I'm going to add that. The next thing is my glycerin, vegetable glycerin, which is also good to draw moisture to your hair. So don't use too much of everything is bad, so just use a little bit of glycerin. So I'm going to mix that together as well. As you can see, everything is coming together gradually. So the next thing I'm going to be adding now, which you don't really have to do if you don't want to do it this way, so it's my Blue Magic olive leave-in conditioner. So guys, this one is optional, guys. You can add it to your already mixed hair grease, or you can use this on your hair before you use the hair grease on top of this one. Okay, I just love to just mix everything together, so there's no need, since they are going to be mixing together on my hair. So let's just mix everything together. So I'm just going to mix it together like so, as you can see, and it's really so amazing, guys. So yeah, here I have my product that I'm going to use to moisturize, condition my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really do appreciate you all. So if you don't have Blue Magic castor oil, go and get one for yourself. If you don't have Africa Best castor oil hair grease, go and get one for yourself. Those two products are so amazing. Bye for now. We'll see you on